Good afternoon, my country people. Good afternoon, my brothers, them, my sisters, our mama, our papa. I dey greet una say good afternoon. My name na Okulaja Olawale Kehinde. I'm from southwest Nigeria, Yoruba race to be precise. Yes, I be Kehinde. Some people go dey wonder why I dress like an Igbo man. Well, my dressing this afternoon na in solidarity with my brother Nnamdi Kanu, wey dey under the custody of Federal Republic of Nigeria, wey dem dey charge for treasoning felony. Me, I wan tell una Nigeria say the cause wey Kanu dey fight for no be treasoning. He just wan make im people, he wan rescue dem from intimidation, oppression wey dem dey get from Fulani people. The marginalization of the Igbos na the cause wey im dey fight for, and that's why he's trying to look for their own sovereign nation so that they can be on their own and manage their resources. While some people dey talk say na treasoning. And na the same common cause wey we agitator from Yoruba land now, wey we dey fight for, wey my brother Sunday Igboho come lead the cause. Because the way Fulani dey terrorize us dey too much. Dem go our farmland, destroy our farmland, sleep with our women by the way of raping. Dem go kill our men with AK-47. And the present government of the day no see anything wey bad for wetin dem dey do. Because if they do, we'll have seen them arresting a Fulani S-man wey dey terrorize people, come prosecute am. But we never see anyone wey they don't prosecute. Rather, then they negotiate with them. They carry our money, they give them our money, they give them our money, they send Gumi, say make go they negotiate with Boko Haram, with bandits. They even call them bandits. They don't see them being a criminal. They say them be bandits. Why people wey dey do peaceful demonstration, wey don dey tire of the oppression by the Fulanis, wey don dey tire of the nepotism wey characterize Nigeria, wey dey tire of oppression and intimidation of the Fulanis, they tag those people criminal. They tag them criminal. They say them be criminal. Why they call people wey dey do peaceful demonstration criminal? Why the brother wey dey kill people, I mean the Fulanis, dem be bandits? They are entitled to negotiation. They are entitled to be given money. And because say we don tire of all these things, yet now they call us name, they tag us name. Our President Muhammadu Buhari, why can't you think and reason along with us, organize wetin dem dey call referendum, to hear people's out, to know whether we still wan stay this obodo Nigeria or wan comot? I think say we get freedom of association and we get freedom of expression. Wetin be the freedom of association wey we dey talk about? We get right to decide whether we still wan be Nigeria or we no wan be Nigeria again. We get right under law. Wetin you suppose do be say make you organize referendum, you do it in collaboration with UNO and call other states, I mean other sovereign states, and organize what we call referendum for people of Nigeria to know those who still want to remain Nigerians or people wey wan go. Because we are tired of being Nigeria. We are tired of being Nigeria. Oppression is too much. The way una Fulani people dey oppress us dey too much. We no like am. So that's why we are calling on federal government to reason along and stop calling us name. Those who are agitators now go their house, middle of the night, go dey shoot gun. They call us wanted. E good? Even those who are in the political class, those who are ruling us now, are they being fair with us in the distribution scheme of things? When you look at Sote, you go dey tired. Say the level of nepotism wey dey Nigeria just is too much. When we look of all the important and significant positions in Nigeria, they are being held by the Fulanis, ranging from the service chief them. Just look at our service chief them, the head of custom, the head of immigration, the head of government agency. All the important agencies, they are held by the Fulanis. Look at the head of army, the chief of army staff na Fulani, the chief of naval staff na Fulani. Even look at the people wey head our port authority na Fulani person. Even the airport, waterway dey Lagos here o, na where we dey generate the money, but na Fulani person go still head the place. And you come talk say we no talk. Sotey the only person wey go represent Nigeria for UNO wey be the assistant deputy secretary general na Fulani. Na Fulani. The thing don tire person. E don tire person. The thing tire me o. The thing tire person. So mean say na only Fulani dey Nigeria. People from the south no be people. People from the southwest no be people. Even southeast no be people again. Even some part of the north, the core Hausas too. And we come dey say we need liberation, we need to go. You say no, we be that act na treason. Na only Nigeria go hear say some people say they no wan be part of a state. Shey Bakassi no go, some part of Bakassi when they say they no wan be Nigeria again, they no go join Cameroon. Is Dublin not on its own now? Even the former USSR, are they still together? Why come be say na in Nigeria where some people go say they wan go, na God say na we must stay together? The thing tire us o. The thing tire us. And upon say all the revenue wey una dey generate here na from the south here e dey. The last sum of the revenue na from the south. When una dey collect the revenue, we be one Nigeria, but when una wan distribute the revenue, allocate am. The allocation of that resources now, when una wan give the money out, na una go say na where dey north, na get population, na get landmark, na get enough local government, but na no add much. The money wey dem go make for the south here, na north dem dey spend am. Na here for the south, na im water dey, where port dey, but na Fulani man go still head that place. Even our petrol wey we get for the south here, na person go still be in charge. For heaven's sake, una get petrol, una get petroleum. You think come tire person? You tire person o. And na the talk say make we no talk. When we talk, una go dey carry their sense, dey look for person. But me, I go tell you the truth o, Oga Buhari. If your people no fit tell you the truth, me, I go tell you the truth. You say you get zero tolerance for corruption, but which regime corrupt pass? No be this regime, monkey dey swallow money, rat go swallow money, snake go swallow money. Na this regime person dey faint, say dem say make e come account how e take spend money. But na only una enemy na dey pursue. Na only political enemy na go pursue jail. Since we don dey send people to jail, how many Fulani man corrupt one wey you don send go jail? You no go fit now. No be nepotism dem dey call that one. No be nepotism. And you say make we still stay this Nigeria. Even the Nigeria as an entity, we don spend more than 100 years together. We are joined together by Lord Lugard in 1914. We thought it will work, but it's no longer working. We are not the same. Why can't you allow people with common race, common tribe, common cause go together and form an alliance and become a sovereign state? But you go say na treason because we are calling for self-determination. Now be say we no get freedom again, freedom of association. Even we no get freedom of expression again. Because when we talk, you go say make dem go arrest us. But enough is enough, Oga Buhari. Enough is enough. Leave Sunday Igboho alone. Stop declaring him being a wanted. That man, Nnamdi Kanu, wey you put under your custody, leave am alone. He dey fight for him people. The way wey una dey oppress am, e no good. Make una leave am, make him go. No be by force we must be together in Nigeria. If una know say una fit stand alone, why no allow us when we go? After all, una say una get everything for the north. Wetin come dey hold una when you dey owe people say make dem be part of you? Na by force? Even if person marry wife, the wife come complain say he no like the man again. Shebi for court dem dey allow am make him go. If we say we be Nigerians together before, because say we not be Nigerian again, that one are by force. Must we live together by force? I need an answer from you. Is it a force that we must be Nigerians together? If there's a bond that is binding us together, and we are not realizing, say, we not get together again, say, good, may we get together, allow us to go separately. Some people even call for restructuring. You say, if you work, say, there's nothing you are restructuring. Then if there's nothing you are restructuring, then let us go. I can remember those days when they were still practicing regional government, when everybody is going according to their pace, everybody is managing their resources. We can see how we Southerners are growing. It is in the southwest here that we have free education. We are building television station, university. Everything is going well. Everything was going well then. But by the time you call one Nigeria, say we must practice federalism, which is not even true federalism. When all the power has been put to the center, that's when marginalization started. That is when nepotism and favoritism started. That is why some people will be working, some people will be eating. Then they call say monkey dey work, baboon dey shop. Now they get money from one side, now they spend that from one side. Even they go, they borrow. They carry our money, they construct railway, go Niger. Of what significant importance of that rail to Niger? What are we expecting from Niger that we are going to build railway to Niger? Have you done railway in all Nigerian states? Have you done roads in all Nigerian states? Why to Niger, for heaven's sake? And you say you be one, you go take our name, go they borrow money from China. Take they do rail, go Niger, another country. Of what in your economic importance is the railway to Niger to us in Nigeria? I need to know, Oga Buhari. And we talk say we won't go, you say we will not go. My brother will be Major General for Nigeria Army, where you put for Plateau. He catch S-men, when they terrorize them for Plateau. You say, make them carry the matter, come up. Abuja, he say, no, make them judge them there. You come out for the position. And I know say that your brother you won't put there. I know say that Fulani person you won't put there. That will not be nepotism. When they see Southerner with knife, na go say na criminal act. But if the Fulani hold knife, na go say na self-defense. Na go say na self-defense. No be nepotism be that one. No be nepotism. I dey tell you now, this bad government wey una dey run no be good thing. Na only Fulani dey Nigeria, na dey kill people and na keep quiet. The governor say they no want make dem do open grazing again. Na dey talk say na dey go do open grazing. Make una try and make we see now. Na dey take that grazing wey na dey do. They rear cow, they kill people. They terrorize us. Now until when you kill us finish, we go talk. No freedom of expression again in Nigeria. You go say na hate speech. But the truth must be told. We suppose to tell una truth. Whether una hear or una no hear, but we must tell the truth. If you like, begin to look for me. And people wey no Buhari, make dem let this video reach am. Make you know say wetin im dey do no good. 10 king 10 reign. For Yoruba land, they call am say Ọba mẹ́wàá ìgbà mẹ́wàá ló ní ilé ayé. Im ten go expire. If you no expire in terms of government, what of death? What name are you writing down for your generation for this kind of government where they do where we say characterized with nepotism, favoritism, and marginalization? But me, I must tell you the truth. Oh. If you want to hear, make you hear. If you don't want to hear, make you not hear. But the truth must be told. Enough of this nonsense. Enough. If you not say you don't want to do restructuring, allow us to go. It's not by force we must stay together. We are not even one. Who say we be one? We not be one, no. Where darkness and lights will become one. Who say we be one? We are only one with those who are thinking straight, the progressive. We are one with those who are thinking straight. Allow us to go. àyèwádà kò sáyè, we no get time. Allow us to go. Enough of all this nonsense. We are tired of all this nonsense in Nigeria. We are tired of all this nonsense in Nigeria. If nobody is telling you, wallahi, me I dey tell you, Muhammadu Buhari. If nobody is telling you, me they tell you. Say we are ready to go. We are ready. You go plant your sister for UN as Deputy Secretary General, so that when we write anything there, you no go allow and work. But me I dey tell you, say na lie you go lie, you dey lie o. God must fight for us here. Enough of this intimidation. Enough of this intimidation. Go and release Nnamdi Kanu and leave Igboho alone. Go and do the needful. Go and do the right thing. Go and do the right thing. You leave those who are committing crime alone. You are pursuing those who are fighting a common cause. A true God dey o. My former first lady don say there is God. Oga Buhari, there is God o. There is God. There is God. There is God. We go generate IGR for South. Na North dem go give large part of it. We dey even dey request for little percentage of the oil money wey una dey take from our side. Some of your brothers dey talk say e dey too much. Say the money wey we dey request for dey too much. Na una get am? Na una dey get am? No wonder when we say we wan go, you no allow us go. Because you know say na our resources na dey take dey build una place. Upon how you dey kill our people. God go punish all of una.